We have an unprecedented and increasingly non-linear, sweeping financial, environmental, and social changes that are upon us. Time, surely, is of the essence. So I believe we're facing three simultaneous systemic breakdowns. The obvious one is the financial collapse of dramatic economic consequences, with effective nationalization of the leading banks in those parts of the world that were in the vanguard of financial liberalization and innovation. Over $1.5 trillion in value is vaporized, and I believe we're still counting. The second challenge is an ecological collapse, where we lose an estimated 30 to 50,000 species a year on planet Earth, where we are now using up to 1.5 times the planet's regenerative capacity. Essentially, if I was reporting to shareholders of planet Earth, I would say we're in the process of liquidating the asset, but unfortunately still counting it as income. And the third challenge that we face is an insecurity crisis, arising from the unprecedented and growing gap between the haves and the have-nots on this planet. The biggest in modern history. The gap has never been bigger. And despite impressive efforts in countries like China and elsewhere to bring millions out of poverty, today we are facing food shortages, which only a year ago were leading to riots in many parts of the world. The sheer scale of these systemic challenges is daunting. Successfully tackling them simultaneously is almost overwhelming, especially as the international consensus around globalized liberal economics is under siege, as I discovered in the corridors at Davos only a few weeks ago. And this, of course, is going to be despite the continuing rhetoric and protestations to the contrary of our political leaders. So we need a new universal organizing principle, a new operating system for planet Earth. If we are to address these interlocking challenges,